In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NotebookLM to make videos. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your sources into a clear, polished video with just a few guided choices. Start by heading to NotebookLM in your browser. If you're asked to sign in, use your regular account, then you'll land on the main workspace. From here, either create a new notebook or open one you've already started. If you're beginning fresh, give your notebook a descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to make multiple videos on related topics. Next, click Add Sources. This is where your content foundation comes from. You can upload files, point to websites, pull from your drive, or paste copied text. Mix and match if you like. Just aim for reputable, well-organized material. If you're using Drive, make sure the files are accessible to you and properly labeled. A quick tip: gather focused sources that all support the same message. Fewer high-quality documents often produce a stronger video than a scattered collection. Once your sources are in, look for Video Overview and select Edit. Think of this as your project's mission statement. Briefly describe what the video should cover, who it's for, and the tone you want: informative, friendly, or persuasive. This helps NotebookLM prioritize what matters and keeps the final result on message. Open the Explainer section to clarify the core concepts your audience needs. This is where you simplify jargon, highlight definitions, and ensure the narrative builds logically from basic ideas to more advanced points. Then move to the brief. Here, spell out the key takeaways and constraints: what must be included, what should be avoided, and any target length. The clearer your brief, the less guesswork the system has to do. Choose the language for your video. Set it to the language your audience understands best, and keep consistency in mind if you plan follow-up videos. After that, choose a visual style. Pick something that matches your brand or audience expectations: clean and minimal for tutorials, energetic for marketing, or documentary-like for educational deep dives. This choice influences pacing, transitions, and how scenes are presented. Tell the AI host what to focus on. Prioritize the most important questions your audience has, such as definitions, step order, or comparisons. Keep it concise so the hosts don't dilute the message. Finally, click Generate. Give it a moment to process your sources, overview, and choices. If the result needs refinement, adjust your overview, explainer notes, or brief, then generate again. With these steps, you can reliably turn source material into a structured, audience-ready video inside NotebookLM.